Hello students, today I am going to start your new subject history with its new lesson where, when and how. But before starting the lesson, let me introduce history. What is history? Children, history is someone's story. Whether the story of the person can be, the story of book can be, the story of a place can maybe. तो जब भी किसी जो कोई वट विच इज ऑलरेडी डन इन द पास्ट, अब कोई स्टोरी है, ठीक है, अब सपोज आपकी ग्रैंड मॉम है या आपकी मॉम आपको कुछ स्टोरी सुनाती हैं, तो वो स्टोरी कौन सी सुनाती है? जो प्रेजेंट में हो रहा है वो नहीं सुनाती है ना, या जो फ्यूचर में होगा दैट वी डोंट नो येट। वो जो ऑलरेडी हो चुका है, विच इज ऑलरेडी डन, वो एक स्टोरी बन गया है और उसको ही हम हिस्ट्री कहते हैं, ठीक है। इन सिक्स्थ you have studied about the ancient history. History is also classified in three, that is ancient, medieval and modern history. In 6th standard you have studied about the ancient history. In that ancient history you will learn about the early life of early human. Okay, now in 7th class you will study about the medieval history. And in next class means in 8th class you will learn about the modern history. But 8th तो अभी थोड़ा दूर है, दिल्ली अभी दूर है ना, अभी हम लोग 7th की बात करते हैं, ठीक है। in 7th you will learn about the medieval history. Now look, medieval history में क्या हुआ था चिल्ड्रन? medieval history में बहुत सारी हमारी ऐसी civilizations थी जो एंड हुई, उनके बाद दूसरी civilization स्टार्ट हुई। एंड आप यानी 6th में आपने पढ़ा होगा दैट 6th में जब हम एक स्टेप फॉरवर्ड आए थे तो आपने देखा था पहले अर्ली ह्यूमन फॉरेस्ट में रहता था। When he came to know about the farming, he started settling his life near the rivers. Why? Because the land and the soil of those rivers are fertile. तो वहाँ पे उसको थोड़ा बहुत फार्मिंग की भी नॉलेज हो गई थी, और ये भी 6th में आपने पढ़ा था कि ये भी अर्ली ह्यूमन को समझ में आ गया था कि फार्मिंग के लिए वाटर वेरी नेसेसरी है, वाटर इज वेरी नेसेसरी फॉर फार्मिंग। सो दैट्स व्हाई अर्ली ह्यूमन स्टार्टेड सेटलिंग नियर द रिवर्स because the soil and the land of that area is fertile and water is easily available to the early human. From there the civilizations start happening, but after some time the civilizations decline due to some natural sources, and after the declination of one civilization another civilization start happening. So we will learn about the civilizations, more and more civilization in this medieval history. Now look, our first lesson is where. Where means kaha, when, kab and how, kaise. Now look, the people of India had a continuous civilization since 2500 BC. 2500 BC. BC or AD. This already you have studied in class 6. BC is before Christ and AD is Anno Domini. Okay? Now, अब जो हमारा सिविलाइजेशंस का प्रोसेस है, कॉन्टिन्यूस प्रोसेस है, ये 2500 BC से कंटिन्यूटी में है। Now the inhabitants of the Indus River Valley had developed an urban culture. The people who settled near the Indus River Valley, they developed the culture named urban culture, and it had trade relations with other countries. और इसमें क्या हुआ था, जो हमारी other countries जो हमारी थी उनसे हमारा ट्रेड का रिलेशन बन गया था। ट्रेड मीन्स बिजनेस का रिलेशन बन गया था। We started exporting and importing of our materials, okay, which were sustained by agriculture. It was all mostly depend on agriculture, because उस टाइम में हमारी टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी एडवांस तो थी नहीं कि हम और सारे मटेरियल्स को क्या कहते हैं एक्सपोर्ट या इम्पोर्ट करते। मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री में जब आप 8th में जाएंगे, मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री को रीड करेंगे, तब आप और ज़्यादा मॉडर्नाइजेशन को समझ पाएंगे। बट मिडिवल हिस्ट्री के टाइम पे हमारी कल्चर, हमारा सिविलाइजेशन इतना ज़्यादा एडवांस नहीं था। सो वी वर टोटली डिपेंड ऑन द एग्रीकल्चर, सो वी वर स्टार्टिंग एक्सपोर्टिंग और इम्पोर्टिंग, ट्रेडिंग विच वॉज बेस्ड ऑन एग्रीकल्चर. This civilization declined around 1500 BC due to changes in nature. Because of some changes in nature, the urban culture civilization or the urban civilization has been declined, खत्म हो गई थी. Okay, and afterwards during the 2nd century BC, Aryans migrated into country from the northwest and settled in the river valley of the Ganges. Children, India during the medieval period was made up of a number of kingdoms, means Rajya, means dynasties, like Gupta dynasty, Mughal dynasty, Hindu Chola and Vijayanagar dynasties. During in medieval period, even in medieval period, Islam spread all over the country, and few of the Muslim rulers invaded India, and they made Delhi as their sultanate. Now look, Hindu culture and political administration reached new heights under Gupta dynasties. Hindu and Muslim system mingled, leaving lasting cultural influences on each other during Chola and Vijayanagar dynasty. So many dynasties were formed in medieval periods. Okay. Now today I have given you only the introduction of this introduction of history through this lesson. We will learn more about the medieval history in other videos. That's all for today. We will meet soon in next video with another new part. Till then, goodbye.